Molweni, sanibonani. Hope you guys you are keeping warm in this cold weather right here in South Africa. We are still on the topic of Uthando Nesithembu. We can see lana the beautiful Mackay. Ubana Nkosi yami uyathanda Nkosi yami uMakhumalo ukucula, Nkosi yami uyahlabelela icilongo. Every chance that she gets, she praises God. Every chance she gets, she will be singing of how God has kept her this far. Nkosi yami, I think she actually does find comfort in singing and praising umdali wakhe. Nkosi yami, uyatsho nje ukubana every chance that you get, praise God. Every chance that you get, you must thank God, because you are breathing. You must thank God, because we wouldn't all be here without him. So nje uyazitshelo uMakhumalo ukubana ecaleni lakhe nje on her side ukubana whatever that she does, whatever that she has done, everything that she does, she put God in it. That's what keeps her strong. That is what keeps her going. No wonder phela uMackay, she's peaceful. Nkosi yami, you can see ukubana nesizotha anaso, like it is from God. You can see nje even the joy, the happiness that she says ubana she does find her joy in the Lord. So nje we saw laphana acula ke na atsho ukubana being born with the boys, acula ke with her side of the family. We've seen videos also of her mom also singing and praising the Lord ukubana hayi bayazithandela nje ukuhlabelela emuleni yakabothobile bana kaKhumalo nje. God lives there. Uyazibonela nje even ama-brothers kaMakhumalo, they are so calm and so chilled. You can see nje ukubana there's such happy family xa babonke nje ukubana hayi bayazithandela Nkosi yami ukumdumisa umdali wabo obenza ukubana babe lapho abakhona. It's all because of him. It is happy to see a woman who finds joy in the Lord, a woman who prays. But kakade njena, if a man and a woman prays, God hears a woman's prayer first. So let's hope so. Bana hayi uMakhumalo nje njengoba ahlabelela Nkosi yami, may God hear all your prayers. We can see ubana even the way she is so peaceful Nkosi yami, ubana she knows God. Her heart is so pure. She knows God and she loves God, that she had said it from day one. Let me know what do you guys think ubana and all those songs uMakhumalo sings. Because yena nje every time she is given a mic, she sings her heart out and she sings beautifully. She sings nje. Xa uMakhumalo ahlabele lapha uyeva kanini ubana hayi she is connected spiritually. I think nje all the wives pray. I've seen also uMacele naye ubana hayi she does raise the kids. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.